Join us as we build a beautiful paver patio. First, we are inserting the footer of the retaining wall, the first row of block. It's the most important part. Everything after that is easy peasy. We're then going to fill it in with gravel to add some additional stability. You see the guys hard at work, cutting the stone and making sure we're accurate and have it down to a science. After the capstones are added to the wall, the retaining wall is complete. Once we complete that outer wall, we can start on the base. We then bring in 6 inches of 57 stone, and we want to make sure we compact it really well. You can never compact too much. We want to make sure that it's spread evenly and compacted well, so we can add a layer of 89 stone on top of that, and then we can begin the process of laying the pavers. The guys are hard at work on the corner there, making sure we have a good design layout to have a nice contrasting wall. We want to make sure that we have a smooth, finished look. And of course, measurements are key, so we want to make sure we are accurate and on point with everything that we are doing. We want to measure twice, but cut once. We bring in a little more stone to make sure that we are level and well compacted, so this paver patio can last and be enjoyed for years to come. And of course, cleaning up is important. We want to leave the property looking like we were never there, with the exception of the beautiful patio, of course. And then the patio will be complete. We are now activating the polymers and the poly sand, washing off any excess residue. We want to make sure that it sets properly last. We finished washing off the wall and cleaning up, and now this patio is ready